Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just got back from the rink from picking up my Scott Van Horne custom skates built by Scott and True. And here we are for a little bit of an unboxing. So we got a really nice box here with magnetic clasps to keep it closed, fit for performance. Definitely fit for performance because they are custom. And what we have here is a nice little True, like one of these little backpack satchel type of dealio thingies. I'm not going to edit this, so you're going to have to bear with the shakiness. And there you got it. Actually, I lied. Not fresh back, not a brand new unboxing. Actually had these things baked, laced, and sharpened already, and had a chance to take them for a spin around the rink. But now back to make a little bit of a review video. So as you can see, got the number 70 installed on the tongue here, and overall I'm quite impressed. The fit and finish of the boots are very good. I don't have any complaints other than maybe a couple splotches of glue in some areas that there shouldn't be glue that I peeled off very easily. Inside the box you get a instruction about baking them. You got a little certificate of authenticity, you got an invoice, and you got a little poster. And inside the little backpack bag here, they actually even give you they actually even give you a little cheap socket that says step. So that's for tightening and removing your steels, which is a nice thing to have. All right, so I'll get down to the meat and potatoes of this. Got them baked, and just to give you a little premise, this is my first set of brand new skates. I've actually been skating on some really old Nike Pro STKs, and as you can see, these things are beat. Tendon guard's got a rip in it. These things are falling apart, and they're just really soft as mush. They got no stability in them whatsoever, but I can skate really well in them. I got no problem skating. They work great. So came out of the oven, slipped them on, and laced them up to about 80%. And I'll tell you what, these things felt like my fuzzy UGG slippers. They were plush and warm and comfortable, and laced them up, and I really just thought I was sitting in a set of slippers. Once they cooled down, we put an edge on the blades, and I went out and hit the rink to do a few laps. And I must say, I have to pretty much learn how to skate again. The fact that I've been running in some sloppy boots, and I've adjusted my body to be able to maximize those for so long, that having a stiff boot like this and a brand new skate with these really tall metals on them it was a little challenging. I got some soreness in my legs in some areas after a 10-minute skate at probably 50%. I wasn't trying to go too hard because I just baked them and I didn't want to offset anything that needed to finish curing. But I got a game tonight. We'll skate on these. Hopefully I don't look like a goofball out there falling down and tripping over myself, because I tell you what, I felt like I wanted to fall back a few times, and I just got to get used to them and relearn them. So there is a little video of my experience with the skates. I'll give you end to end. The 3D scan was easy. Sharks Ice down in San Jose, Garrett took care of me. We did a scan, sent off the paperwork, and these babies took probably 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks and a couple days to be in my hands. They got them done really, really fast. I was impressed with how fast they actually did produce these things, and I'm excited to go out and play on them. So there you have it. Scott Van Horne, custom skates by True. Thanks for watching, and if you got any questions, leave them below.